Today on Dream Yards, a 24-acre Ohio estate that epitomizes American pride. Hi everybody, I'm Jane Waldrop. I've been a landscape designer in Augusta, Georgia for over 30 years, and I've helped thousands of clients create their very own dream yards. Whether its main feature was a decked out cooking area, beautiful flower or water garden, an interactive play space, or simple breathtaking views, each reflected its owner's personalities and how they chose to enjoy life outdoors. So join me today as we visit some spectacular dream yards across the country. In this episode, we're visiting the Y-Bridge city, Zanesville, Ohio. Located 50 miles east of Columbus at the confluence of the Muskingum and Licking Rivers, Zanesville is historically known as Ohio's second capital city from 1810 to 1812. As well as a hotbed for pottery manufacturing throughout the first half of the 20th century. Today, Zanesville is home to a growing artist colony and two particularly iconic eateries, Adornetto's Pizza and Donald's Donuts. After stopping by American Pride Power Equipment to take in the state's largest American flag, a Zanesville landmark the company flies proudly along Interstate 70, we headed to neighboring Nashport, Ohio for a tour of owner Ryan Dodson's 24-acre family estate.
Hi, I'm Ryan Dodson, and this is my wife Lindsay. We're just outside of Zanesville on our 24 acres. Welcome to our dream yard. So when we were looking for properties, just searching for the ideal dream yard, we were looking for a place with a view, and it's certainly hard to beat that here. There's lots of views in every direction that you look. From our house, you see a sunset. Back here at the pool area, which is about a quarter mile away from the home, there's also a nice sunset. We love to watch storms come in, so, and of course the view behind me of the flag. After the sunset, the flag lights come on, and a fantastic place to cook out with friends and family and enjoy the sunsets.
When asked what inspired the Dodsons Dream Yard, Ryan revealed the catalyst was literally his family's point of view.
So we love to spend a lot of time in the outdoors. Grew up outside virtually every day as a kid, playing outside. And then I worked on the grounds crew at the Zanesville Country Club, early mornings, and just watching the sun come up, going to work mowing the greens. Is how the green industry got in my blood, and used to maintain a lot of great properties and drive by a lot of great properties, and just thought, boy, someday it'd be nice to have a nice big area to mow of my own. And certainly what we found here, there's plenty of mowing to do. It's just a great dream come true to be out here and spend time with family, and get to be thankful that we're so blessed to be here and live here and enjoy these views every day.
After enjoying the home's gorgeous western views, Ryan treated us to a property tour.
So here at the property, we have a couple of ponds and an orchard and my shop in the back. Area behind the shop to split wood, 20 acres of grass to mow. So we spend a lot of time mowing grass, and in the orchard pruning and gardening is where our garden is as well. But certainly our favorite spot to be after all the work is done is right here where you see us now at the pool area, with the flag behind us, and grill and fire pit, and which is clearly our favorite spot to be after we get all of our chores done around the property, which never seem to end. But we do get to spend a fair amount of time at the pool and enjoying time with friends. Our buddies love to come over and hang, of course, and cook out and enjoy the views of the sunset and the flag coming on at night.
Ryan's Dream Yard is a reflection of his lifelong love of the outdoors and the American pride his Dream Yard flag symbolizes.
At the shop, we have a 30 by 60 American flag on a 140-foot pole. It matches the largest in the state of Ohio. We had the idea of doing a landscape flag, which has evolved into what you see behind us, and it really just blew up, and it became what it is today. But it's such a fantastic, one-of-a-kind thing, framed in steel, and instead of landscape gravel, we ended up using crushed glass. At sunset, the lights come on, and at sunrise, they go off, and all day the glass sparkles as if it were lit. So it's you get to see a glorious view of Old Glory 24/7 here. It really just reflects how we feel about our country and all those who have served, and very lucky to be among the land of the free.
We concluded our visit with Ryan by asking how Exmark products have helped shape his dream yard and sense of American pride.
We've been an Exmark dealer for 22 years now, so not only have they played a role in helping us mow the grass here, but helping us achieve our dream of purchasing the property. They've been a wonderful partner in growing our business. Fantastic quality of cut, as you can see from the stripes in the yard, and we're happy to be able to use the best mower in the business every week here at our dream property.
So now that you've had a taste, what will your dream yard look like? Until next time, be well and enjoy your outdoor spaces.